If you're raising chickens, feed is your biggest expense. Guessing how much to feed them can lead to slow growth, wasted money, or both. Many farmers still guess, but that's risky. There's a smarter way, one that tells you exactly how much feed your chickens need each day and each week, based on their age and the size of your flock. In this video, I'll show you two methods. The first is manual. I'll give you the correct grams of feed for one chicken. You do the math based on your flock size. It's accurate, but it takes time. The second method is faster, easier, and more powerful. It's an automated feed calculator I built to help poultry farmers know exactly how much feed their birds need at every stage, from day one to the last day. Let's start with the manual method. For example, take 100 layer chicks in their first week. Each one needs 12 grams of feed per day. Multiply that by 100 birds and you get 1,200 grams per day. Divide by 1,000 to convert to kilograms. That gives you 1.2 kilograms per day. Multiply that by 7 days. Your 100 chicks need 8.4 kilograms of feed in their first week. You'll need to repeat this for every week, using the updated feed amount per bird as they grow. That means more calculations every single time. This method works, but it's slow, and small errors can cost you. That's why I built the automated feed calculator, to save you time, cut mistakes, and help you plan better. Now let's look at the automated feed calculator. This tool is designed to do all the calculations for you, instantly and accurately. You don't need to worry about formulas or making mistakes. Just enter the number of birds you have, and it calculates the exact feed they need, day by day, week by week, all the way up to 100 weeks. Let's say you have 100 birds. Open the file on your laptop or phone. You'll see a yellow cell where you enter your number of birds. Type in 100, press enter, that's it. In less than 1 second, the calculator updates everything. You'll see exactly how many kilograms of feed they need each day. For week 1, it shows 1.2 kilograms per day. At the end of the week, it totals it as 8.4 kilograms. It keeps going automatically, week 2, week 3, and so on. It also totals the feed needed for each month and for the entire rearing period. For 100 birds, the total feed from day 1 to week 100 is 7,151.9 kilograms. Now let's find out how much feed just one layer chicken needs from day 1 up to week 100. All you have to do is change the number in the yellow cell to 1, then press enter. Instantly, everything updates. Scroll down to the grand total row and you'll see it. One layer needs 71.5 kilograms of feed from day 1 all the way to week 100. That's not just helpful, it's powerful. Because with this calculator, you can plan ahead. You can decide how much feed to buy weekly, monthly, or for the full cycle. No guessing, no overfeeding, no waste. It's especially useful when you're scaling up, managing multiple flocks, or budgeting ahead. And here's the key part. The formulas inside the sheet are locked. That means no one can accidentally break the calculations. The only thing you or your staff can edit is that one yellow cell, the number of birds. That's full control with zero risk. Let's now look at how to use the feed calculator on your smartphone. Once you've downloaded the file, open it using any document reader. I recommend WPS Office app because it works well with Excel files. When the file opens, just scroll to the yellow cell and type in the number of birds you have. Then tap the check mark to confirm your entry. Immediately, the calculator updates everything. You'll see the feed your flock needs each day, the total for the week, for the month, and the full total up to 100 weeks. It's the same experience you get on a laptop, but now it's in your pocket. You can check feed amounts on the go. You can save the file on your phone or even print it and pin it up in your feed store. This makes feed planning simple, even when you're away from the farm. Let's say you walk into a feed shop and want to know how much to buy. Open the calculator, type in your flock size, and it gives you an exact answer. If you're managing a team, it also helps you delegate with confidence. You can give your workers a printout for the week and they'll know exactly how much feed to give. No confusion, no mistakes. You can also track how your feed usage matches the plan and adjust early if there's a problem. This isn't just a calculator. It's a decision-making tool that saves you time, reduces waste, and helps you run a more profitable poultry business. You can decide whether to buy feed weekly, monthly, or for the entire cycle, based on real numbers, not guesswork. And you're not just saving money, you're saving time, reducing waste, and making sure your birds grow well. That's what successful farming looks like: controlled, efficient, and profitable. I've done all the hard work behind the scenes, building formulas, checking the numbers, and locking everything in. So you don't have to. All you need to do is enter the number of birds in one cell. That's it. One cell. Everything else happens automatically. And once you download it, it's yours for life. You can reuse it again and again. Whether you're raising 50 birds or 5,000, just change the number and the calculator updates instantly. If you're serious about poultry farming, this tool will pay for itself in saved feed, less stress, and better planning. You'll find the download link in the description. And if you prefer the manual version to do your own calculations, that's also available in the same place. Now it's your turn. Take control of your feeding plan, simplify your farm work, and give your poultry business the accuracy and planning it deserves. This feed calculator is designed specifically for layer chickens from day 1 all the way to week 100. It gives you a clear feeding plan so you can stop guessing and start managing your farm with confidence. Now, if you're raising broilers or dual-purpose chickens and you'd like a similar calculator for them, just let me know in the comments. I'm already working on new tools, and your feedback helps me know what to build next. So if you're serious about raising chickens the right way and you want to stop guessing and start feeding your birds with confidence, don't wait. Download your copy of the feed calculator now using the link in the description below. It's simple, it's powerful, and once you have it, it's yours for life. Tap the link, get your copy, and start managing your poultry farm like a pro, starting today. And if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future tools, tips, and tutorials that will make your poultry journey easier and more profitable. You can also check out the next video on your screen for more practical farming help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.